Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from DesignSense Software Technologies, Bangalore. In this CADPower video, I'm going to talk about the export tools category. The export tools are a powerful section of tools in CADPower. Import-export CSV files is one of our most popular and important tools here. This tool offers highly flexible methods to import or export not just CSV files but also structured data with other delimiters like tab, space, and other custom characters. This section also includes the popular multiple PDF export and the tool for exporting columns of text into CSV data. All these tools are very important for drawing productivity and speed drafting. Other useful tools in this section include the ability to convert regular images into embedded OLE images and to attach external images as OLE. This helps you to embed images into the drawing and you don't need to ship the images separately. Now this is only a quick summary of the tools. Check it out. There are many more tools which you can explore. Thank you for watching this video and do let me know if you have any questions.